how to change profile picture on Royal Match. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your profile picture on Royal Match. So let's get right into it. The first step is to launch the application on your device. After launching it, by the bottom part of the screen, you'll see options like areas, you'll see leaderboard, you'll see home, which is this page at the moment, you'll see friends, and then you will also see collections. So as you can see this, go back to your home tab, move to the top part of the screen where you can see some icons such as the profile icon and etc. Just move to the top left corner and click on the profile icon. Once you've done that and you've brought your profile page, the next thing for you to do is to move to your profile page or your profile icon and click on the little box that you can see by the right side. Then once you can see that, you'll see the different kind of profile picture that you can have. Alright, you can see different avatar that you can use. Do you want to add a frame? Click on frame. Alright, but those features are not available until when you are getting the premium version of Real Match. So yeah, you can just go ahead and select the new profile picture you want. Which one do you want to use besides the one currently used? And after selecting the one you would like to use, just move to the bottom part of the screen and click save. And as you can see, the profile picture or my avatar has been changed. So this is how you can change profile picture in Real Match or on Real Match. Thank you for watching and have a good day.